everybody, it's Taylor here today, and I am stopping by to introduce you to the latest craft kits available at Tailored Expressions. So this is our Love Monsters craft kit, and this is our Fruity Friends craft kit, and these were put together especially with the kids in mind. So if you're a kid at heart and you want one of these for yourself, then you feel free to go right ahead. But I put the ingredients inside together with kids in mind of having them create cards, especially to give to their classmates for Valentine's Day. So I know every year I struggle with, should I just go to Target or Walmart and grab the little pack of, Pokemon Valentines and have my child give those, which that's great too, but I like to get crafty and my kids like to as well. And so this is a way that I can give them everything they need in one box to sit down and craft Valentines for their friends. And it's something that they love to do and have fun giving as well. So I'm gonna start with the Love Monsters kit and open this up and show you guys exactly what's inside. So we have first our magnetic closure keepsake box that you can see here. It has a magnet built right into this front flap so that when you close it, it catches and just closes for you. Now the sticker on the front is actually removable, so once the kids are done with the contents inside, they can of course remove that sticker and maybe decorate the front however they choose. So when you open that up, you can see the different supplies we have inside here. So I'm going to start by showing you the pre-printed cards that come in the kit. So these are all pre-printed on our sugar cube cardstock. You can use a coloring medium that you have at home, but we do have one included in the kit that I'll show you in just a minute. So we have 24 different cards here. You get 4 each of 6 different designs pre-printed on these 2 3/4 inch cards. So they have some great sentiments for giving to your classmates for Valentine's Day. Then we have, included in each kit, 24 different pieces of 3x3 cardstock with the idea that you would take one of these then and mount it onto the 3x3 square there. Of course, you can color and embellish those, and so we included some other elements in the kit in order to do that. We have Prismacolor pencils to match the different colors of cardstock in the kit. And for the moms out there who might be purchasing this for their child, you are welcome to take these out of the kit when they're done and use them yourself, because I love these pencils and I use them a ton in my own crafting. So we also have some of our enamel shapes. You get 4 different colors in stars and hearts. Each of the kits are a little bit different as to what shape you get in what color, but you do get 4 different colors. And then you also get a bottle of stickles. So this is the diamond color stickles, and we have designed this kit with the ages of 4 to 10 in mind. Of course, if you have a child younger than that and you want to kind of supervise the use of things like this, that would probably be helpful, but really any child should be able to use this pretty easily. You just have to make sure they don't squirt too much of it. And actually, I had a child put it on their lips thinking that maybe it was like glitter lip gloss. So you might want to, supervise so that your kids don't end up with glittery lips. The other things included in the kit are this Ranger Mini Collage glue stick. That's for adhering these pieces together. And then we also have our limited edition To From stamp. So I'll lift that up a little bit closer. You can see it says to and from and has those lines, kind of like you see when kids are practicing their handwriting in school. So you can have them write who the Valentine is to and then their name in the from. And we have a mini ink cube here. This is our Oreo ink, so they can use that to just stamp these images right on the back of their cardstock pieces after they put them all together on the front. So a couple other things I want to tell you about. First, though, I'm going to show you the cards that are included in the Fruity Friends kit, because I want you to see the cute designs in that one as well. So that was Love Monsters. And then we also have the Fruity Friends. And I'll just pull those out here. Again, we have the coordinating colors of cardstock in the 3x3. And then we also have those pre-printed cards. So this one features the artwork from our Fruity Friends set. These are all pre-printed onto our sugar cube cardstock. You could use Copics on these. This cardstock is Copic compatible. So if they're for you, or if you trust your kids with your Copics, you're welcome to do that. So we've got cute strawberry, little cherries, grapes, and a lime. So this one has colors maybe that are more appropriate for a girl, but we had boys and girls using both of these kits over the weekend. So that is Fruity Friends. And one other thing I want to mention, in case you want some envelopes to put your cards in. I know for classroom Valentines, a lot of times kids will just write their name and put it in the other child's basket without an envelope. But if you're going to be using these yourself or you want envelopes, you can purchase those separately, a 20 pack for $4, and those are fit 3x3 cards there. And then I know also that sometimes it's difficult because our students' class might be larger than 24. So in the kit, you get 24, but then we also have some smaller packs here where you can purchase separately 6 additional cards with the cardstock backers in case you have more than 24 students in your class. So that's an option for both kits as well. Now, one other thing I wanted to tell you guys about, I mentioned earlier that we did have kids in the studio over the weekend at a special class just for kids to create these Valentines. And I want to leave you with a little bit of a look at their projects. They had so much fun creating them, and we took a little video just to share how much fun it was to get together and make these projects. So before I head out and show you guys that, I want to tell you can find this kit at tailoredexpressions.com. You can search Love Monsters or Fruity Friends, and the kit retails for $20. So enjoy checking out these kids getting crafty, and we'll check you guys next time. Bye-bye.